Hi guys, so welcome back. So let's look at the reason why when we say a.raw it doesn't compile. The reason is this: you know that even though it's an object of lion, it has taken the form of an animal. Like I said, when an object takes the form of the parent class, then you can only access the properties that were defined in the parent class. Now let's look at another thing. We have another method called getName. And then this method called getName has been overridden in the child class lion. So let's try to call the method. So I'm going to remove a.raw and then do l.getName. So we have l.getName there, and then when we do this, we are going to compile our code and we'll see the result. So I'm also going to do a.getName so that you see how polymorphism works with overridden method. So a.getName. So let's run the code and see the output. Okay guys, so you see that when we do system.out.print l.getName and then we also print a.getName, you see that it prints null sub and then null sub. Let me explain the reason why it's printing null, because we didn't assign any value to name. So remember, when you don't assign a value to name or to a string or to any string, the default value is going to be null. So now you see that the most interesting point here is that you see that it's printing sub and then it's printing sub. Why? It means that at runtime, only this getName method in the subclass is being called. Even when the object takes the form of animal, animal also has a getName method, but only the overridden version in the child class is being called. So that is what I wanted you to see, that when you override a method, only the overridden version is always going to be called at runtime. So it's important for you to note this, because in most Java exams, they'll always test you on this. Okay guys, so let's continue with this example. You see that we have class animal and class lion that extends animal. So you see that in our main method, when we say l.display, it's gonna print here is a lion. And where is this coming from? This is coming from the method in the child class. So when you override the method, only the overridden version will be called at runtime. Let's look at this other example. So with this example, you see that we also have a class animal and then we have a class lion that extends animal. So you see that in the animal class, we assign cat to name, and then here we assign lion to name. So you see that here in the display method in the parent class, we are also printing name, and then in the child class, we are also printing the value of name. So you see that when we say a.display, even though lion has taken the form of animal, when you say a.display, it prints here is a lion. So you could have expected it to print here is a cat, since we are saying since the object has taken the form of a and can only access the method in animal. But then that doesn't work like that with overridden method. Like I said, only the overridden version of the method will be called at runtime when an object takes a different form. So basically that is it, and this is another example. You can go through it, and guys, if you need this PowerPoint, you can always request. You can give me your email and I'm gonna email to you. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you like the video, you can click on the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel, so that when I put more videos, you'll be able to get notification. So see you in the next video.